Primo Brands, we're a healthy hydration company. We're all about providing healthy hydration to America.
Primo Brands is one of my customers. We have gotten them to a 78% recycling rate.
Our partnership with Primo Brands marks what's possible when companies come together to solve complex challenges as it relates to the environment, but also our operations.
You have to understand what we do. You have to go into the factory, you have to go into the different locations we have and understand our business, and then help us build programs that allow us to operate in a sustainable manner.
It's extremely important to have trust in the partnership, to know that the material is being managed correctly. We are ultimately responsible for the waste, whether it be at our factories or after it has left the consumer's hands.
And Primo Brands is an example of how our professional services come together to solve these challenges that they face day in and day out.
Well, Casella has been a very good partner because they really have helped understand our business and our needs. And this is not a short-term, 1 year or 2 year project. This is a long-term project that we've been working on together with them.
The more that we have a better understanding of what's going on inside the four walls of an operating facility, the better we can serve our customers.
It's good to see the boots on the ground. It's good to see the Casella team saying, absolutely, let's get to the factory and let's talk to the people in person. It's better than an email.
We rely on some of our partner vendors to be able to bring these solutions to light, and that is where Casella has been very helpful with us, especially in the Northeast. If you look at the work that we've done together in Massachusetts, Maine, and New York, a recycling rate of 78%. In our Somerset, New Jersey equipment refurbishment location, to where we refurbish bottled water coolers, we've had 82% diversion from landfill when a piece of equipment is at its end of its useful life.
This is huge. We're pulling apart coolers that have copper wiring in it. There's metal, there's very valuable pieces of material in these units, and rather than tossing them aside, we'll send them back and reuse what we can for them to go back into the product for them, and then what can't go back to the product is what we are recycling. So there's a lot of hands-on with it, and it's been a very fun project. The Willimantic team has done a great job in taking in a great amount of coolers and units.
But then the important other group is our shared customers out in the community, out in society. So it's really important that we do the education and outreach to help those folks see and appreciate all that's going on behind the scenes to properly manage the materials that they're generating.
Measuring success and impact is really critical to advancing our sustainability work. We set and track KPIs and performance metrics across all of our categories to make sure that we're on track to achieve our goals. Internally, we use those metrics to gauge performance to make sure that we're staying on track. And externally, we use those to demonstrate our progress and really show our commitment and how we're moving forward.
We can provide them reporting from each site-specific and then rolling it up into a whole robust report.
We definitely want our consumers to know that we are staunch advocates of a circular economy. So both our bottles can be recycled, but also we're using recycled content back in our bottles again. So it's really important for us to prove, that we are responsible stewards of this circular economy, and we're doing everything that we can to recover materials and use them over and over again.
When I look at sustainability, it really intersects with everything we do in supply chain, whether it's starting with transportation or, in our management of our factories and how we manage solid waste in the factories. And over the last probably 5 or 6 years, we've really focused on making it more integrated into the supply chain. So everyone on my team has sustainability goals and KPIs they manage to make us a much more effective organization.
Everything that we do is so cross-functional across the company, so making sure that team members know the role that they play in helping us achieve our sustainability goals, and also really driving passion and commitment to achieving what's important to us as a company.
Power of partnerships enables a resilient infrastructure, a resilient capability, and sets of resources to really invest in the future. That's how we're going to move the needle. The more that we can partner with like-minded organizations with shared values and missions, the more that we're able to directly contribute to the environment around us.
I think it's amazing, and I think it's a really great way of showing your appreciation for what we do and how we work together. It means a lot to the team because this is what we do every single day, and to be able to receive an award like this from a strategic partner, it helps validate what we're doing, and we're doing the right things, and it helps show what our relationship is for the long term.
You do this for a lot of different reasons, right? And environmental sustainability is a cornerstone of our company. So to get recognized for some of the hard work that people do every single day at the ground level, right? It's not just, myself or my team coming up with ideas, but it's the day in and day out work that people are doing that add up to recognition like this.
When they won, I was over the moon for them. I know my contact, Dan, he's been after this award and really wanted to get there, and I knew the hard work that has gone into it. So it's a testament to everything they have done and everything Casella and our team has done together. It's well-deserved. I'm just very proud of them, and I'm super excited to see how the rest of this partnership and relationship expands.
On behalf of Primo Brands, thank you very much for this award. It is great to be recognized for all the hard work that our team has done, and very much appreciate Casella and giving us this award. It is great to be recognized for all the hard work the team has done around circular packaging and recycling. And none of this could have been possible without the hard work of our entire Primo Brands team. I'd like to specifically thank Dan McCauley, Rob Winters, Kevin Sroka, and the leadership of David Thorpe. Thank you for the entire team, and thank you, Casella, for this great award.